And I hope you all are doing good. So now we are about to end our 2024 and we are totally going towards our 25. But the main thing is that if you're preparing for CAIIB, then in that we have one very important subject, that is your ABFM. So under this ABFM, can we skip this numerical part for our upcoming 2025 exam? In this session, we are going to talk about each and everything, that whether we can skip it or not. And if not, then why there are reasons that we cannot skip it. We are going to talk about each and everything. So before we start, I request you to please subscribe to this channel and share with your fellow bankers also and your colleagues, your friends, so that they can get the benefit out of these sessions. Chaliye, so with this, I am starting this session. As you know that under your ABFM, or if you are going to start your preparation, then one thing you need to remember, that under your ABFM subject, that is your compulsory subject, in that we have 4 modules. Okay, there are 4 modules: module A, B, C and D. Like when we talk about module A, it talks about the management process. Then next B, advanced concepts of financial management. Module C, valuation, mergers and acquisitions. Module D, merging business solutions. So these are the 4 different modules under your ABFM. Okay, these modules are from your ABFM. Now if you talk about ABFM subject, so that is your compulsory subject that I already told you, and in exam they are going to ask 100 questions for 100 marks, and your passing criteria is your 50 marks if you are giving individual subject, or if you are giving all subjects together, then your passing marks is 45 marks. So basically overall, if we see, mainly we need to score at least 50 plus marks, that we keep in our mind, that at least we want 50 marks out of this 100 questions. Now how we can score this much? Can we just read only 1 module or 2 modules? Can we score this 50 marks? So my answer is no. Okay, if you are leaving module C, B or D or any 2 modules, just reading 1 or 2 modules, and you are thinking that you can score 50 plus marks, then everyone listen to me very carefully, that this is not what you are going to prepare or you are preparing, because CAIIB is not about just here 1 or 2 modules. In this ABFM, they give equal weightage to each of their modules. Like if you see our recent, this December 24 exam, in that they asked the numericals also and theory also. So you cannot just focus towards only one aspect or only one side of your theory or numerical like this, but you need to balance your both the part of your ABFM. Okay. But mainly if you are thinking that we are very weak in this numerical, then which modules can we leave? Or if we want to overcome our fear of that weakness, then which module we need to focus more? So basically, if you talk about A and D, that is totally your theory. Okay, 1 or 2 questions they can ask from this D module. Otherwise, A, if you see, that is totally theory. Now, if you see, mainly the numericals are asked from these 2 modules, that is your B and C. Chaliye, one by one we are going to discuss about what this B and C actually carries and what type of numericals they are carrying in this. So, like your B module talks about the advanced concepts of financial management. Basically, they start with the sources of finances. What are the different sources, how you can generate this funds for your business, that they are talking in this sources of finance. After this, they are focusing towards financial and operating leverage. Pure numerical. Basically, they are asking from this numericals every time. This is your one of the important means out of 5, I want to give you all 5 stars only, because this is that much important. They are asking this leverage. What is this operating leverage? Financial leverage. All these things they are asking in this particular financial and operating leverages. So this is one of the important topics. Then next we have capital investment decisions. Again, in this they are asking about your NPV. that we used to calculate in JIB, na, module C, the same thing they are asking in this NPV, IRR, all these things. Apart from these two, they are having more such non-discounted methods also. So again, this capital investment decisions, your calculator one. Then based on your international projects, means out of India boundary, if you are looking for any projects, in this also you need to calculate. Then you have the adjustments of risk and uncertainty. Again, in this they are mainly asking like sensitivity analysis. Okay. In this they are focusing on scenario analysis, this Hillier model. So again, this is your important numerical topic. Then last to decision making. This is again related to your JIB module D. In that we used to calculate the break-even points. Through that they are calculating in this particular topic. So basically your module D is carrying lots and lots of your numerical questions, so you cannot skip it. Okay. Then let's talk about module C, that is your valuation, mergers and acquisitions. This is new module. Earlier in your JIB, we never talked about these things. This is totally new module. So in this like corporate valuation, discounted cash flow. Under this, they are asking how you are going to calculate. If you want to merge any particular company, then how you are going to value that company. So there are different methods. So basically this C1 is your again the combination of both theory also and this numerical also. What type of theory they are asking? They are asking theory based on case studies. Like types of merger, they ask the question on case study. Okay, so you cannot skip this modules. If you are focusing towards theory part, then again module C is important. If you are focusing towards this numerical part, again that is important. Chali, so this is about your module C, in which you have other DCF valuation models, special cases of valuation, mergers, acquisitions and restructuring. So basically this module C is your again theory plus numerical. They are asking case studies based on this. They are asking without option questions out of this. So you cannot skip it if you want to score 50 plus marks, because minimum marks you require for clearing is your 50. Understand that then. Next, if we talk about the exam pattern, as I am saying, case study without option. So what all these things are? These things are your exam pattern. Like in exam, what type of different patterns they are asking? Like this case study. Okay. So again, they are framing from this numerical. From this numericals, they are preparing the case studies also. Not only from your A and D, they can prepare not only this A and D, these are the modules. Take not from only this, they are including C also. Then without option questions in this, they are generally asking this numerical questions only. And that they are giving the questions and you need to type the answer. That is what your without option question. Then we have the MCQs, fill in the blanks. In any form they can ask. These are the exam patterns for your CAIIB level. So they can ask based on any type. That is why we need to balance our preparation. Now, when I say balanced preparation, then means what? That means including your theory as well as your numerical problems. Because theory is very important for clearing your concepts. Okay. Based on that, they are asking direct questions. They are framing case studies. Direct questions based on the definition, based on the different contributors. They are asking book name, who wrote this particular book, which contributor gave that particular phrase, advantages, disadvantages. So theory is very important, that is sure. But for understanding this numerical problem, again we require the theory. Because before seeing the formula, before understanding the formula, we need to understand the theory part. So this both are interlinked with each other. Okay. So for high scoring, remember, if your target is more than 50 plus, then you need to include in your preparation this numerical part also. Then real life application. As a banker, normal layman, as a customer, everyone thinks that you have the particular knowledge. You can give any answer related to bank. So as a banker, not only the theory side, not only the RBI guidelines is your bank terms and conditions, but when they are asking about the loan calculations, EMI calculations, what project they can invest. If these type of questions they are asking, then you need to give the answers. And if you're not having this numerical understanding or how to calculate that thing, you're not able to do it. So that is why real life application with the help of numerical problems only you can achieve. Then exam trend. Exam trend, that I already told you that in December 24, they asked good amount of numericals from their modules B and C. So please don't try to skip any portion from right now. You have sufficient time, that is your January, then you have February, March, April, May. You have 5 months around. I can understand that during this you need to attend your office, but remember from right now, don't try to skip any topic. If you are weak in this theory part, then work on this. Work through revision. If you are weak in this numerical part, practice. That is why we say practice makes the man perfect. Practice as much as you can. Okay? So that is what you need to do. You need to do balanced preparation, your theory as well as your numerical problems. Understand this point that clearing 50 marks is not that much easy. You need to prepare both the sides. But if you want to start your preparations and you are looking for the batches, then you can enroll in our Adda 24/7 batches. How you can visit there? You need to type in your search engine, that is Adda 24/7. You need to click on all courses, JIB, CIB June 25. As you can see, there are different subscriptions also and Mahapack. Now, what is the meaning of this subscription? Let me first clear this point. If you are just preparing for one subject, or just because of few marks you are not able to clear in this last attempt, then you can enroll in this ABFM subscription or any BFM subscription or ABM subscriptions or BRBL subscription. Okay. So like if you click on this ABFM subscription, in this you are going to get all the concept classes, your study material, okay, your ebooks, your recording classes also, so that you can clear your ABFM in now next attempt, that is your 25 attempt. Means A to Z, your revision classes, crash course, each and everything will be available here. Subject wise, that too all the live classes, no recording will be available, but after the live classes. Okay, so this is for individual subjects. Now, when we talk about that, if you are giving you all 4 subjects, then how you can enroll in that in which batch you need to enroll? Then you need to enroll CIB Mahapacks 2.0 for all the 4 or 5 subjects. In this you will be getting your elective part also, concept classes, recordings, your live classes, then your mock test, ebooks, videos for your multiple revisions. Okay? And remember, if you want to clear your ABFM in your first attempt now, you need to focus towards both the parts, that is your theory as well as your numerical part, because we never know that whether they are going to ask theory difficult or they are going to ask numerical difficult. Okay? So we need to prepare as per that. And how you can enroll in this? You need to click on buy now. You need to use the coupon code. As you can see right now, you are getting only 78% off. But if you use the coupon code, that is Y895, and you click on apply, you can see your amount of discount increases up to 80%. And one more thing in this, if you purchase the same this Mahapack or your subscription batch, you are going to get additional 1% off through your Adda 24/7 app. If you purchase the same batches, you are going to receive 1% extra off. Means total 81% off you are going to receive. But remember, for 80%, you need to use the coupon code, that is Y895, and not only 81 plus double validity also you are going to get. So these are the benefits if you use the coupon code Y895. So start your preparation from right now. If you're weak in your numerical parts, work on that. Practice as much as you can. Okay, if you're weak in your theory part, then practice on that part. Chaliye. So with this, I'm ending up this session. Thank you everyone for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.